Hi my dear beautiful friend, welcome back to my channel one more time. This video I am explain how to hide apps on Android without deleting them. So you can follow the updated method. First open the settings app. After that scroll down slowly. Here you can find the home screen option. Simply tap to open the page. Now scroll through the page. This time you can find the hide apps on home and app screen or similar name depending on your phone model or Android version. Simply click to open them. After the page is open, you can see all of the apps listed there. Simply scroll through the page, select one or multiple apps if you want to hide. After you have successfully selected all the apps if you hide, then confirm by tapping the done button top right corner, and you have successfully done. To check this process work or not, simply go back to your home screen, open app door, swipe left or right. You can find the hidden apps there but not be appear there if you want to recently hide the app. That's it guys, you are done. However, keep in mind, if you change your mind, if you decide to recover the hidden apps on the app store again, simply go back to the home screen page, then click on the hide apps on home and app screen option. After that, simply unselect all of the hidden apps if you want to unhide. After you have successfully done, hit the done button at the top right corner. Now go back to your home screen, open app door, swipe all the way to the very left, right to left, and you can see all of the hidden apps appear there. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching.